Hey guys, we're here at the Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun doing a tour of the property.
Come with us.
This is one of Mexico's most family-friendly all-inclusive resorts featuring a massive water park and great dining. We start at Zen, featuring a Japanese cuisine teppanyaki style favorite. Next is Maison, offering refined French dining. Gourmet Marché is the international buffet perfect for all tastes. Over at Rio, enjoy Brazilian grill classics served rodizio style. Now Tash brings bold Indian flavors and spices. The cave offers a unique dining experience and dramatic cave-like surroundings. Next up is Grazie, a cozy Italian restaurant with classic comfort food. And this is just a glimpse. The resort features 17 restaurants and 9 bars. Now let's head outside. Out here, you've got 3 giant pools, a main family pool with plenty of space to swim and play, an activity pool full of energy and games, and a more relaxed pool that's perfect for cooling off or taking a break between all the action this property has. If you're looking to upgrade your pool day, private cabanas are available, offering shaded comfort, VIP service, and stocked drinks in a quieter spot away from all the busy pool areas. They even have 2 lazy rivers, perfect for floating and relaxing, with staff on hand to keep everyone safe. Plus a splash pad area designed just for the younger ones. Now we're walking through the cave tunnel, past the second lazy river and the green vortex slide. This is where the fun kicks off. This massive water park features 14 exciting slides, from fast drops to family slides you can enjoy together. You've also got racing slides with clear height and age requirements for safety. It's non-stop, high-energy fun all in one spot. And don't forget to hydrate. It's hot out here. The fun continues inside Game Up, starting with the arcades. It's packed with games. From there, it's time to suit up for laser tag and dive into the maze for some fast-paced action. Outside, there is more games to keep the fun going. Then into the bowling alley for some friendly competition. And to top it all off, the jump zone trampolines bring the energy to a whole new level. Moving inside the Royal Spa, you'll find beauty services for hair and grooming, hand, body, and foot therapy, plus facial treatments, with dedicated barber services for him as well. Here's the hydrotherapy area, with warm pools and jets to help you relax and unwind. Just beyond that, you'll find massage beds and treatment rooms for deep tissue, Swedish, couples, and more. This is the Royalton Fit Gym, a high-energy space with top-of-the-line cardio, strength training, and fitness classes to keep you fully active. Up on the rooftop, you'll find pickleball courts with equipment and coaching available for all skill levels, all with great views of the resort. Now let's take a look at a room. This is a luxury junior suite with 544 square feet. You can choose 1 king bed or 2 queen beds. Step outside your private balcony and inside you'll find a sofa bed with a comfortable sitting area, cozy bathrobes, in-room safe, a fully stocked minibar refreshed daily, perfect for unwinding after a long day. And in the bathroom, you'll enjoy a double vanity sink and a relaxing bathtub. If you're planning a family vacation packed with fun, comfort, and unforgettable memories, this is the resort. Reach out and let's get you booked.